Eleanor Roosevelt once stated, "The future belongs to those who believe in the beauty of their dreams." Our family's dream was to drive from our home state of Washington to Prudhoe Bay, Alaska, and back. Previously, on Rugged Destinations, the Alaska series. We made it to the Arctic Ocean, but find ourselves in a dilemma, stuck on the side of the Dalton Highway. After making a run to Fairbanks, Alaska, staying one night, locating trailer parts, and returning 250 miles to the trailer, we've acquired the correct components and tools to be able to complete the repairs. Huh? I brought my squints with me. So, after the trailer repair epoch, the trailer is living to fight another day. We're sans both fenders because the axle we got is a little wider than the original axle, but it's the one that we could get. We'll keep an eye on the bearings and the hubs and make sure that the adjustment was good. It was a pretty roughshod adjustment. I definitely didn't torque it to spec, just as close as we could get it. So we'll keep an eye on things, but it looks like we're gonna roll on down the road.
Time to wash her?
Yeah, there is some chemical that they put on the road that's very not good for your car.
Apparently it's gonna bleach out our clothes too, but we can only do what we can do. Found our camp for the night, not very far out of town. Recovered from the trailer epoch. Tomorrow we're going to head back into Canada. We're going to go into the Yukon Territory, ride a ferry over the Yukon River. Should be a total blast, so come along. Well, we are back up at our campsite, guys. We had a good night's sleep. It's time to head on to Dawson City. We have a full day of driving, so let's get to it.
You feel like summer days.
Well, we are on another bathroom break for the boys. Let the dogs run around. Just taking a little rest on the side of the road here. We are now on Highway 5, which leads north from Tok. We're going to go through Chicken, Alaska, and then we're going to go over the border crossing into Canada and then make our way on to Dawson City. And it looks like we will take the ferry today if it's open.
Frames, lavender, and pain. They all live here within this romance. I get the
Well, we're just finishing the last of our time in Alaska. A little bittersweet. We're happy to be headed south, but unhappy to be leaving Alaska. So we'll see how the rest of the trip goes. We have some cool things planned for the rest of our time in Canada and before we make it home. made it to the mighty Yukon River again. That's our ferry right over there. It's gonna come back for us hopefully here in a minute. Pretty cool. It's just like a gravel ramp. You come down, you get in line, and then next thing you know, the boat comes over and you hop on. How about some dinner at the Drunken Goat Taverna?
That sounds dandy.
We made it across the ferry to Dawson City, got to do a quick dinner in Dawson, and now we are on the outskirts and we found another campsite that's riverfront property. Pretty exciting. The amount of riverfront like beach and bar spots that we found is fantastic on this trip. We've had a lot of waterfront. Currently it was raining, so I think the bugs are held back a little bit because it was raining. So hopefully we can get tent set up before it starts raining again and before the bugs come back. So that'll be it for today. We're gonna get up tomorrow, set our sights further south. Where are we gonna go, Atticus?
Transportation Museum.
The Transportation Museum. There happens to be a Yukon Transportation Museum right here in Whitehorse, Yukon Territory. So we're gonna go give it a look. We have a free afternoon because we got up extra early and traveled a long distance today because we knew we had to put down some miles after the trailer fiasco. Now we're gonna reward the boys and hopefully ourselves to a museum experience that tells us we're gonna be moved. A moving experience. What do you think that means? Do you think it means that we're going to be moved emotionally, or is it a moving, like, interactive experience?
It's like a ride.
It's like a ride?
We're gonna go for a ride.
Okay.
It'll be just like Disneyland.
We're going for a transportation ride. We'll take you guys along.
Free flowing, sailing with the wind, not knowing how this story ends. Kind and brave, I know you'll find a way. Live your truth and good will come to you.
How's it going, guys? We made our way through Whitehorse once again, but we veered off for the first time. We are about 40 miles off the highway. We had the time today and we had the sunlight to be able to come off and set up an awesome camp right here on what I'm naming Canada's Horseshoe Bend. It's a beautiful spot. The trucks are set up right on the ledge here, and we're gonna have an awesome sunrise right out that way.